What is up everyone, welcome back to Tech Bunny. Today we are checking out the coolest phone ever, the Nothing Phone 2a. It's looking amazing, right? But the question is, can it handle awesome pictures too? That's what we are gonna find out in this video. We will be taking pictures with this phone like crazy in the sunshine and at night, basically everywhere. We will also see the camera features it has, like making your background blurry or taking super bright pictures in dark. By the end of this video, you will know everything about the Nothing Phone 2a cameras. So get ready to snap some epic pics, cause things are about to get clicktastic. Before we dive in, don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe for more tech adventures. And also, it motivates me to do more reviews like this. Now, let's get snapping. First, I click the photos and videos in daytime conditions in both outdoor and indoor conditions. Let's have a quick look one by one. Oh yeah, before that, have a quick look at the camera specs of this mobile. On the back, the main one is a 50 megapixel with an aperture of f1.9. The second one is also a 50 megapixel camera with an aperture of f2.2. This is a 114-degree ultra-wide angle camera. You can record videos up to 4K 30 FPS from these. We will check that in a bit. On the front, it's a 32 megapixel camera with an aperture of f2.2. You can record videos at maximum 1080p 30 FPS. There are features like OAS, PDAF and more are available for the back cameras. Now, it's time to check the photos in daytime conditions in outdoor. The first one on the left side is a 0.6x shot, then followed by 1x and 2x. Here are some more examples of the photos. The last one is a 10x zoomed one. You can zoom maximum up to 10x in this mobile. These are some close-up shots and you can observe the texture as well as the colors. These are some more shots to check the background blur because the main camera comes with an aperture f1.9. Now these are 0.6x photos. Let's check the video samples, how it looks like, and the audio, stabilization, focus, etc. in outdoor conditions. This is the video quality of 4K 30 FPS in outdoor conditions with the help of back camera, and I'm walking on the terrace and you can see the stabilization also. And even you can zoom 1x or 2x or up to 10x by using the back camera. So this is how it looks like. This is 1x. This is how the 1080p 60 fps looks like by using the back facing camera in outdoor condition in daytime. And you can zoom from 1x to 2x or up to 10x in this camera also. This is how the video quality looks like as well as the audio. If in case you are recording in 0.6x mode, you cannot zoom the video like 1x to 10x. It's fixed and this is like a little drawback I can say. This is the video of 1080p 30 fps, and in this format you can go from 0.6x to up to 10x, where you cannot in 1080p or 4K 60 fps. Now I'm in 0.6x. If I go to 1x, this is how it looks like, and this is 2x, and this is 10x. This is how it looks like. Alright, these are the shots taken with the front camera at outdoors. These are the photos by using the selfie camera. On the last one, you can observe the background blur. It detected pretty well and separated the background and subject. Edge detection is not that much great, but it's quite satisfying. You can observe on my collar area as well as the ears for edge detection problem. Now let's see the video samples of the front camera too. You can record 1080p 60 or 30 fps by using the front facing camera, and this is how the audio and video quality looks like in daytime outdoor conditions. It's pretty cool. I can see that there is a lot of things that are happening on the screen, like it's looking what my eyes are seeing, but a lot of darker shade I'm observing. So let's see in post how it optimizes. Now let's check the photos in indoor conditions with the back camera. For video performance in indoor conditions, this is the best example because this entire video A-roll is recording with the Nothing Phone 2a back cameras at 4K 30 FPS. You can observe how it is for YouTube videos. Now it's time to check the mobile how it performs in nighttime and low light conditions. These are some night shots. This camera struggles while clicking the photos in nighttime. The 1x photo is looking okay but remaining 3 are having a lot of noise in the images. There is a screen flash option is there for selfie. You can see the differences here. This is 1080p 30 fps video in 0.6x mode. This is 1x and this is 2x and finally this is 10x, and the audio you are listening is directly from the internal microphone. You can judge how the video quality it is. This is 1080p 30 fps video by using the front facing camera, and the audio you are listening is directly from the internal microphone. This is how the video quality looks like, and there is no flashlight option is there for the front facing camera, and the light whatever you are seeing in this video is coming like artificially from the street lights down in the street. So from there I'm getting this much light. So this is how it looks like. This camera app is clean and clear. You get photo mode, video mode, slow motion, portrait and some more. Surprisingly, there is no pro video mode is there, but you will get pro photo mode as expert option. This is a portrait photo in outdoor, and you can do retouching, HDR control, filters, changing aperture value and some more in this mode, and even you can click 2x photo in portrait mode. In every setting you change the aspect ratio as you like. When it comes to photo mode, you can choose either 12 megapixel or 50 megapixel photo. If you go to camera settings, there are more options available. Also, you can use either flash or glyph light while clicking the photos. Here is a side-by-side comparison how the photo looks with glyph and flashlight. The left side photo is taken with glyph lighting and the right one is from flashlight. Even in video mode also, you can choose either of these two lights. You can record slow motion videos at 1080p 120 fps. This is a default, and here are some examples. Also, slow motion only works for back camera. In the photo mode, by default Google Lens option is integrated. You can search directly from here. There is no gallery app is there in this one. Whenever you click a photo, it opens in Google Photos. There you tweak the changes. I expected a separate gallery app from Nothing. I hope they release in future. Finally, this is the camera verdict. These cameras are great in capturing photos or videos in daytime with natural conditions. Thanks to its great specs, even for front camera too, it's working great. But during the night time, it struggles a little bit. You won't get the same details like the daytime photo if you zoom. But overall, the software optimization is really impressed. But it's not same as the photo of the daytime conditions. I'm not talking about the light, it's the noise. Apart from night photos and videos, overall this is a great mobile with camera setup for the price you are paying. I'm totally satisfied with this. I don't click photos or videos in nighttime conditions very often, so it's not a big deal for me. Also, you will get 4K video recording option, new mobile design and more. But there is a problem in this Nothing Phone 2a box. One thing is missing. If you want to know what it is, that click this video, and these are the videos related to this mobile, and I'm waiting for you in the video.